Here's the easiest way that I teach people how to make a tincture. What is a tincture? A tincture is a medicine. It's made out of plants and a solvent. The solvent is usually alcohol, and in this case, I'm going to teach you how to make a tincture using alcohol. The basic ratio is going to be this. You're going to use 1 part herb to 4 parts alcohol. Now that's not going to be by weight. It's going to be 1 ounce of herbs to 4 ounces of alcohol. 4 ounces of herbs like I have here to 16 ounces of alcohol. The 4-to-1 ratio makes sure that you maintain consistency across batches. That way every batch you make is exactly the same. You're going to take your herbs and you're going to put them in a jar. I should have used a funnel, huh? Made a little bit of a mess. That's okay. I'll clean it up. Add your alcohol. More of a mess. That's okay. I have a rag. You'll be fine. I replaced all the alcohol that I spilled all over the counter. Once the herbs and the alcohol are in the jar, take some plastic and put between the lid and the jar. This is going to preserve your lid and avoid contamination. Go ahead and put it on and shake it really good. You're going to leave it in this jar for 2 to 3 weeks. If you were one of those kind of people that are able to do this every single day, you can get away with doing this for 2 weeks. But if you're like me, 3 weeks is going to be best because you're obviously not going to do it every day. When it comes to dosages at this type of concentration, the general rule of thumb is for adults, 10 to 20 drops as needed depending on what you're using it for. For children and the elderly, it's going to be 5 to 10 drops, again, as needed or depending on what you're using it for. Pro tip, do not forget to label your tincture. Go ahead and write it directly on the jar, put it on a label and stick it to the jar. Put the herbs you used and the date that you used it. That way you know it's going to be consistent every time you make it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you let me know in the comments. Don't forget to save it for future reference.